Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make an installation by using wooden materials such as twigs, leaves, maybe a little bit barks. By making this installation, I want to respond to the Amazon bushfire happened last year, and I hope it would have potential to wake up people's sense of responsibility to protect our environment. So the first thing I'm going to do is to collect enough materials. Let's go. Here I have to say, when you are collecting the leaves, you have to collect dry leaves because the color can refer to the destroyed forest, and it also can refer to the death of the trees. Another point is that if you want to get some barks, you shouldn't peel off them from the tree because they are alive. You should pick up them on the ground. And keep this in mind, we are going to protect rather than damage. Now we are ready to make our artwork, and I'm going to make a shape of lawn because when I researched online, there was a quote from my attention. It was like the Amazon forest is the lung of the earth. So I'm going to make this shape to represent the quote. I have chosen the green grass as the background because the color is contrasting with the color of the dry leaves. The visual effect will be strong in this way. If you are not that confident to start this shape directly, you can first make an outline like this. And now I'm going to put this brush here. It refers to the figure of the lawn. And I'm going to put some twigs here. It looks like the roots. Now the outline is ready. What we are going to do is to fill this area, and you have two options. The first one is you can cover all the green area, and another one is you can leave some green space because the bushfire didn't destroy all the forest. It just destroyed a part of the forest. So see, I choose the later option, and I fill this space from the bottom to the spread to the other area, and I also leave some green area, and in this way you can balance the color of dry and the gray color. So maybe I think I should make some words and remind people of this event. You can read some meaning behind the...
Yeah, it's about the bushfires in the Amazon.
Yeah.
And basically the long video.
Yes. Yeah, this information I got it from online. Do you think people should protect our environment?
Yeah, get more awareness. Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Since the bushfires happen last.
Class, it's your turn to make something surprising.